welcome back to the Nature Channel. I'm your host, Stephen Matt, and today we are at the Sioux Locks. But first, let's tell you about this fountain. It says no swimming, so don't swim in it. Caution. And let's go to Tino with quick facts.
The Sioux Locks are a marvel of engineering and ingenuity that have ties dating back to the 1800s. Every year, an estimated 500,000 people visit the Sioux Locks that connect Lake Huron to Lake Superior.
In this diagram, you can see that both lakes have different water levels. The locks provide a safe way for the ships by changing the water level for the ship to continue through both lakes safely. The ship passes the first gate, allowing the locks to make the water levels equal. Then the next gate opens and it's smooth sailing from there. Now let's go see what Steven and Autumn are up to.
Hi guys, it's me and Autumn here. Now we are going to be telling you about some fun facts.
So Steven, how long are the freighters that come through this lock, and how much tons of cargo do they bring through?
Well, Autumn, the freighters around here are up to 1,000 feet long.
1,000 feet long?
And their cargo weighs up to 86 million tons.
That is crazy.
And 7,000 vessels pass through here in about a year.
Oh wow, that's awesome. So let's tell them some fun facts. Steven, why don't you go ahead and give us the first one?
90% of the iron in the world moves through locks. The Sioux Locks have no pumps. They are 1,000% gravity fed. The pole locks require 22 gallons of water to lift lower tribe boats.
That's crazy. Did you know that it would take about 584 train cars to move 70,000 tons of cargo, but it only takes one freighter to move just that much? The Pole Arch Tregurtha is the greatest, most longest freighter on the Lake Superior. It is 1,031 feet long.
Ta-da!
Did you know that the bedrock of the locks is made from reddish colored sandstone? Bet you didn't. Well, there you go, guys. Your facts for the day. Let's speed up and learn some more information.
Behind me happens to be two different types of locks that happen to be similar. They're designed to lock 600-foot ships at once.
What you see now is the pole lock. It is very often used and was restored to the original look it is at today.
Okay. Behind me is a model of two separate locks that happen to be identical. These locks are meant to lock two 600-foot ships at the same time.
Fun fact number 1, seagulls around here are stupid annoying!
If I look behind me, you'll be able to see the Sioux Locks boat tours, where there are a lot of people staring and I'm kind of scared.
Don't cut that part out.
Okay.
Next!
Move on.
This is Tina with some quick facts. Behind me are the Sioux Locks. Okay.
But
Redo
did
it,
you
redo
also
it.
know that
You have to re-say that.
It's 7,000, isn't it?
Yeah. Can you pause that?
Can we do bloopers, please?
Yeah.